Hey guys, welcome back. So in this lecture, we're going to see how to automate JavaScript alert. So what is JavaScript alert? Let's see an example. So in our practice page, if you scroll over here, let's enter a name, say example, Shuffle, and then click on alert. You see this alert tab. So click on there. It will open a pop-up window. So this pop-up window is called JavaScript alert. And also how you can understand that it's a JavaScript alert, because this is an additional, it's not an embedded HTML code. Because if I want to fetch this text from here, or this OK button, if I want to locate, if you right click, you can try. I'm doing the right click on my mouse, but it's not working. So right click is not enabled, so you're not able to locate any element in this pop-up window like traditionally the way we used to know, like right click, inspect, then use some of the properties or attribute and locate that element. In JavaScript alert, you will not able to do this, because this web element, this element is the pop-up window is not directly embedded part of Java HTML page code. So the Selenium web driver, how it works, it's usually works, this is HTML code, so it can locate any element, or it can directly communicate, navigate with any element in your web page which is embedded HTML properties. So it means if you right click, inspect, you'll see the code it started at the very beginning is HTML, that's reflect the whole page. But there is some of the lot of external element can be added on your page. It's a JavaScript alert is one of the element. So let's go back to our node. So that's why I'm saying that if you are unable to find the locator for a pop-up box, it means it is a JavaScript alert. So Selenium only able to find a locator for an element in an HTML web page. To find a locator for JavaScript, we have to switch the driver object from HTML web page to JavaScript alert using a switchTo method and alert method. So it means when you click on here, Selenium hi or Selenium alert. So if you want to work on this pop-up box, like to grab the text, the message from there, or click on OK button, or sometimes you'll see this yes button or cancel button. So those are usually the option that's pop-up window will come up. So if you need to work on any pop-up window with any element, that time we have to tell our driver, because our driver is by default work on the HTML page. So we have to tell our driver, hey driver, switch from HTML page to the pop-up window, okay, on the pop-up box. Then and then after that, it will able to switch, it will able to find if there is an alert box open, it will able to move up there. Then you can say click on OK, click on cancel, accept, decline, or grab the text. Okay, to do this, here is you can say method. So we can say driver switch to alert. So it will, this code will work, switch to alert. So this is like you're saying, hey driver switch to alerts, move to the alert, and get text, it will get the text. And then driver switch to alert, then accept method will click on OK, yes, those button. And then if you click on say driver switch to alert dismiss, it will click on cancel or decline or no. Okay, so that's the way you can handle or automate JavaScript alert. Let's do it. Go to our Eclipse. So here is our Eclipse. Let's create a class. So we'll give a name, say alert test, then main method, finish. Let's copy some the command line over here, which is about our Chrome driver object maximize window, and this is our URL to launch the application. Okay, and after that we're going to here is the field, text field that we need to enter the name. So let's inspect this one, inspect, and then here I can see there is an ID. So ID, it's reflect this text field. So let's use the ID. I can say, okay, we can say driver dot find element by dot ID. Okay, paste the value of the ID name, and then we want to, this is the locator for the text field, so we want to enter something, a name. So to enter send keys, let's put a name, or say hi, okay, or shoreful, or hi. Okay, so it will enter the hi, and after that what we want to do, we want to, so this will enter this hi, and then we want to click on alert. So let's inspect the alert. This is the ID alert box. Yes, so we can, yes, again we can use ID, right? So after that, let's say driver.find element, again by ID, let's use ID, and this is the value of the ID. Okay, and then click on that button, right? So after we click here, then pop-up window will come up. So what do you want to do? So we want to grab the text, the message over here. So hello, hi, you know, share this practice page who love to learn automation. Okay, so this is the something that we want to grab this, the text. So to do this, what I can do, so it means to do this, we have to switch our driver, because our driver is right now in by default in HTML page, right? In over here in this page. So from here to, we have to switch here. To do this, we have to tell hey driver. So we're going to say switch driver from HTML to alert box. Okay, to do this, we'll say driver dot then we'll say switch method, call the switch method. So, and then switch to where? Switch to alert. So after we switch, what do you want to do? We want to get the text. So get text method, it will get the text, right? Let's put this one, the text. We can put this one in a variable. We can say alert text, and then return type would be web element, right? Oh, sorry, string, because get text method return is a string. Okay, now this alert text variable have the full text. If you want, you can, you know, compare this text versus whatever the text is showing over here. Okay, you can do a comparison. It's totally up to you to make sure that it's showing the right message. Okay, and then we can print it. Let's print it. This out. So let's print the alert message. We can see this the right or wrong. But usually, you know, in real life, when you are going to do, you will grab the text and then you will compare with your expected text to make sure that it's showing the right message. Okay, and then usually you can do this one, you know, through assertion, or if, you know, equals ignore case, you know, to compare to a string. So now over here, we're just going to print it to see the right message. Okay, and after that you get the message, and if you want to click on OK, so we're going to say driver again, driver dot switch to alert, and then we'll say accept. So accept will click on OK. The accept will click on OK, so it will be disappear. Okay, so let's put it over here. After we print it, let's put a thread.sleep, so that we can see that this pop-up box or pop-up message for a few seconds. say 3000 milliseconds, right? Otherwise it will be very quick, probably you will not able to see it. Okay, and then driver.quit. Driver.quit. Okay, good. Let's save it, run it. Okay, you can see it's been typed already high, and it shows the pop-up message and disappear. Okay, and if you see the console, here is it, the message. Hello, hi, share this practice match page. Who love to learn automation. Okay, so this is the way you can handle the JavaScript alert. That's all for this tutorial. And one request: please share your feedback if you like the course, and it will help us to encourage to do more better stuff. Thank you.